Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a classic, vibrant and super flavorful batch of collard greens. This recipe is a bit different because we are packing it with fresh peppers and onions for a massive flavor boost. It's simple, healthy and perfect side dish. So now let's get our veggies ready. You will need green, red, yellow bell pepper all chopped up. So I'm starting by chopping my green onions, dicing my onion, my yellow pepper. I will do the same thing with my red pepper and my green pepper as well. I forgot to add the tomatoes while filming the recipe, but on the blog I highly suggest adding tomatoes. So now we are starting with the two big chunks of raw collard green. It's easier to chop them by rolling the leaves together like you see in this video and start chopping them thinly. It's a rough chop first, so nothing important, but you want to make sure that you are chopping those, and the most important part is actually the cleaning side of it. So I'm going to show you how I clean through, so because they can be sandy, so you put them in a big bowl under running water. So you rinse them, you put them in a big bowl with some water, and then you just put them aside in a strainer, and you have to repeat the process multiple times because they tend to be sandy. So be patient, don't rush at all, because you don't want to have some sand while you eat your collard greens. And you want to make sure that the sand, that the bowl is crystal clear at the bottom. It's green, but you will see the sand settle at the bottom of the bowl. So here I will do that. I had to do that 3 times before the water was not sandy at all. So be patient. Once they are clean, grab your large pot, toss the green in and add enough water to cover them up by about an inch. We are going to let these boil for 45 minutes. This softens them up perfectly, gets them ready to soak up all the aromatics we are about to prep. After 45 minutes, drain your greens and set them aside. Wipe out that pot, turn the heat to medium-high and drizzle your olive oil. Once it's shimmering, you can toss in your onions, green onions, your peppers and garlic, and saute about 5 minutes while stirring occasionally until they are fragrant and soft. Keep stirring, guys, and the flavors and the smell is just so good as they're being sauteed. Now on these steps, and like I said, I forgot to record that step to add the tomato, but you want to add the tomato in for another 3 minutes before adding your greens and stirring it together and making sure that every piece of the green is covered with some oil and has the peppers and onion really well incorporated in them. So you want to now to add your water to cover your greens, and making sure they are all covered with water, and let it boil for another 25 minutes. You add some salt to taste, and you let it boil. Stir everything together so every leaf is coated delicious olive oil and veggie mix. Let it melt for a minute and you are done. Beautiful, flavorful collard green ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this. Bye!